You can learn with Mikey.
Hi friends, hola amigos, it's your pal Mikey. And today I'm at Pearsall Park in San Antonio, Texas, and it's cold, frío. That's why I have on my suéter, and I have on my gloves, Guantes. Are you ready to go play? Yeah, let's go! Whoa! Hey! What's my mystery box doing here? Oh, wow! You know what that means, right? We're gonna play Pistas! Yeah! And how many pistas are we gonna have to find? We'll count the wooden blocks with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means that there's 5 pistas hidden somewhere around the Parque. And those 5 pistas will tell us what's inside the mystery box. Yeah! Cool. Hey, so whenever you see a pista that looks like this, you're gonna say, Pista! Yeah, can you say that with me? Pista! Yeah! All right, well, let's go find the 5 pistas so we can see what's inside my mystery box. Yeah! Whoa! Look at this playground. It's really big. Grande. So cool. Where can those pistas be? Let's go this way. Come on. This is really cool. We can climb up it. You think I should climb up it? Okay, let's give it a shot. Gotta put your foot in the hose. Agujeros. Whoa, I'm so high. Whoa.
Pista!
Huh? What's that?
Pista!
Pista? Where?
Right there!
Oh, you're right. It is a pista. Great job. Let's see what it is. Whoa. It's el número 1 and la letra A. So cool. We found the first pista. Thank you. Let's keep climbing. Whoa, we made it. Wow, we're so high up off the ground. Suelo. Oh, look, the steering wheel's pretty cool. We can drive Manejar the playground. Come on. Did we go anywhere? No, I don't think so. Whoa, there's a lot of cool stuff here. Hey, look. Whoa, there's a cool slide. Let's go down it. Oh, wow, we're so high up off the ground. Oh.
Pista!
Huh? Pista? Where?
Right there!
Oh, yeah, you're right. There's a pista right there. Cool. Let's go check it out. Come on. I'm going to go backwards. Whoa. Yeah, look. It's el número 2 and la letra V. What can we be doing today in our mystery box? I don't know, but we found 2 pistas and we needed to find 5 pistas. So how many do we have left? Well, let's do the math. So 5 pistas and we found 2. 1, 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 pistas más somewhere here in the playground. Come on, let's go down the slide and look for them. Whoa, that was such a cool slide. Did you see how I went round and round and round? Whoa, I'm a little dizzy. Hey, let's go find the other 3 pistas. Come on. Whoa, look at these. It's pretty cool. Let's jump on it. Whoa. Can't touch the floor. It's lava. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, come on. I'm right here. Let's go. Whoa. Don't want to touch the lava. Oh, it's really hot. Caliente. Okay. How am I going to get over there? Maybe I should jump, brincar? Okay, I'm gonna try it. Here we go. Whoa, I did it. Yeah. Oh. Whoa, this is so cool. Come on, let's go. Whoa, maybe we can go up.
Subir.
Let's go up using this ladder. Escalera. Yeah, come on. Whoa, that was so much fun going up the escalera. Yeah. Oh, look, they have little seats. Sillas, let's sit down. Oh, wow. This Parque, is really cool. It has 3 levels. That's really cool. You go up one, then up another. And now I'm really high. Yeah. Oh, so much more fun to explore. That means that there can be pistas anywhere in this park. Where are we gonna find them?
Pista, pista.
What? You found the pista? Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, you're right. I didn't even see it. Let's check it out. Whoa, this pista has el número 3 y la letra I. Cool. So we have 3 pistas now, and we needed to find 5 pistas. So 5 menos 3, 1, 2, 3, is equal to 1, 2, 2 pistas. That means that there's 2 pistas más somewhere here in the park, Parque. Come on, let's go look for them. All right, you ready? Bye. Whoa, that was so much fun going down the slide. Hey, when I was way up there, I saw that there was so much more park to explore. Come on, let's go explore. Look at all the birds, pájaros. Wow. Whoa, what's this? Do you know what shape it's in? Yeah, it's round, like a sphere. Hey, maybe we should go play on it. Come on. I'm right here. Whoa! I'm on top of the world. Cool. Whoa, look at that. Come on. Okay, you wait over there. All right, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! I was flying like one of the birds, pájaros. Yeah. Oh, wow. They have some swings. Columpios. Let's go swing. I really like swings, columpios. Let's see how high I can swing.
Pista, pista.
Pista? Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, watch out, because I'm going to get off the swing. Whoa! Yeah. Oh, look. This pista is el número 4 y la letra O. Do you know what that little symbol means? Yeah, it's an accent mark, acento. Sometimes you'll see it on letters in Español. Cool. So how many pistas do we have now? We have 4 pistas. And how many do we need? 5. So how many more do we need to find? Yeah, uno más. Yeah, let's go find the last pista somewhere here in the park. Come on. Whoa, this is so big. Do you think I could climb up it? Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. But remember, I need your help. I need you to say, si se puede, Mikey. Si se puede. That means you can do it, Mikey. Can you say that for me? Si se puede, Mikey. Okay, let's try. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, it's very wiggly. But I can do it because I hear you saying, si se puede, Mikey. Whoa, I'm getting up high.
Pista, pista.
Huh? Pista? Where?
Right there.
Whoa, it's way up there. That's the last Última pista. Okay, I'm gonna climb up there. Here we go. I got the Última pista. Wait right there. Yeah, I did it. Thank you for saying si se puede, Mikey. And now we have the Última pista. What number does it have? El número 5. And what letra is this? La letra N. Cool. Now let's go back to our mystery box to figure out what's inside. Yeah! Okay, so I got the 5 pistas right here. Let's see what they are. Let's see what it spells. Okay, the first pista is la letra A. Uh-oh, I dropped the pista. Okay, the next pista is la letra V. The next pista is la letra I. Uh-oh, la letra A doesn't want to stay. Please stay, please stay. Okay, the next pista is la letra O. And what does la letra O have on top of it? Yeah, un acento. Cool. And the last pista is la letra N. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the sounds, sonidos, together. So the first 3 sounds, A, V, I, we put them together. Avi, abi, right? The next 2 sounds are on. So avión, avión. Do you know what an avión is? It's an airplane. That means that there's an airplane inside the mystery box. Well, let's see. Whoa, look, it's a cool airplane. Whoa, wow. Hey, let's go play on the playground with our avión. Come on. Whoa. Look, it has wheels, llantas. Okay, it's gonna land. Whoa. Wow. So cool. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, pick the wheels up. Let's go. Oh, okay. Whoa, that was cool. You ready? Come on. I'm gonna go down. Wow, this Avión is so much fun. Hey, thank you for helping me find all 5 pistas. I don't know if I could have done it without you. I hope you had a lot of fun. Be sure to click the subscribe button. That way you keep learning with me. M-I-K-E-Y. Oh yeah, go to learnwithmikey.com so you can print out free activity worksheets. Bye, I got a flight to catch.